Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to open a Stripe account effortlessly. Stripe is an international online payment processing platform. It processes credit card charges on your behalf. It is a powerful online payment platform, so countless people are looking for a way to create a Stripe account, and here we will explain the step-by-step guide on how to create a Stripe account without any hassle. Let's follow all the steps to sign in to Stripe. Step 1. Firstly, click on the following URL to proceed: stripe.com. Step 2. Click on the Start Now button to set up your Stripe account. Step 3. Now fill out the fields and click on Create Account button. Step 4. Here you have to verify your email by selecting the button for same. Step 5. Go to the Gmail inbox and click Verify Email Address to proceed further. After verifying the email address, you have to click the Start Now tab to activate your Stripe account. Add all the required informations and click the button to move forward, like your address and your name and your business details. Now provide a short and brief description of your business by adding necessary details. After you do that, click Next to proceed. Stripe uses this personal details section to verify the individual's identity who is signing up for the account. After completing this, click Next to proceed. The last step is customer statement information. You will provide company name, like entering your something your registrant will recognize on their credit card or bank statement. You can put the name of your event and the same name of the organization. Also, phone number. Enter the phone number associated with your bank account on your organizations. Now, add the bank details and click Next to move ahead. To strengthen your account security, Stripe asks you for two-step authentication. Here, either choose Use SMS or Use Authentication App option as per your desire. After successful authentication, you will receive an emergency backup code. Save it for later and use Click Done to move ahead. After completion of all the above listed steps, lastly, you have to click Activate your account to finish the procedure. To receive payments, you'll need to link your Stripe account to a bank account. Stripe provides direct links to some major banking institutions. You can enter the information manually if your bank isn't on that list. Now, let's answer some common questions about Stripe account setup. Is it free to create a Stripe account? There is no cost to creating a Stripe account, and Stripe does not charge a monthly fee to have an account. Can anyone have a Stripe account? Anyone can sign up for a Stripe account, but there are restrictions on the types of business activities that Stripe will allow to transact across its network. If you aren't in compliance, your account may be frozen and your funds held. Do you need an LLC to use Stripe? No, you can sign up for Stripe as an individual, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Can you use Stripe without a website? Technically, you can create a Stripe account and use Stripe Terminal without a website, but generally speaking, Stripe is designed to accept payments online through a website. Do you need a business bank account to use Stripe? You do not need a business bank account specifically, but you do need to link a bank account to Stripe if you want to process payments. And that's it for all, guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Hello everyone.